Everyone. I will explain today glass roof. Okay, how to create the glass roof. So straight away I can go to choose the roof. Okay, footprint. So it is asking for the level two, level one because second level. So this is zero and this is one level one. So I can choose this one. So I just wanted to create to the sloping glass, and I just wanted to create like one rectangle type. Okay, and I just apply. Now I can go back to my 3D. So I created the roof. But here you can use find out is only the glass is showing, but there is no any mullions. So you can just select, go back to edit type. Here you can find out the layout fixed distance. You can put it around 600, and layout 2 also you can put it 600. Okay. And the mullions you can choose it 50 by 150. So 50 by 150 you can choose and you can choose it 50 by 150. And grid 2 also you can choose the same one. Okay, it's better now, so I can choose it 50 by 150. Apply. Okay, right now you can find out. So it will be created like that, but here you can find out some gaps available. We will learn later how we can able to fix that one. Okay, so here some clashes. So I will explain you later. So this is a way we can able to create this. So after that, I just select this class. Okay, edit. I'll put it, okay, keep it 25 and I can go for minus 30. And glass, I can choose it. The materials look like roof type. Okay, I can choose it. Uh, the roof type. Uh, right, apply. Okay. So you can find out this is the roof style. Let's show. Again, I can select my curtain panel and I can go for 50. So it's going to here. So again, I can go for here. I can go for around 100 minus 100. So now what happens? So it's almost covered up here. So you can find out. So but we have to work on these things. Okay. But I hope you understand how we can able to create this uh, glass sloped glass, and how we can able to create like a roof style. So this is a basic thing. So you can go up to level 0, or sorry, level 1, choose the section and you can find out. So this is the way it's created. But here we can able to create our Molien's profile and we can able to change it like, okay. So here also some issues came. But the basics thing is how we can able to create the glass roof panel. So this is the way we can able to create the glass roof panel. Okay, thank you so much.